Some people think we are just selling machines, but it's not that simple. Not every company can be like unique, integrating the whole supply chain, from parts to equipment, from information to production then to production. We deliver efficiently, solve every problem, and meet every unique need.
Innovation takes shape through careful listening, recording, and decision-making. Needs keep changing, and technology keeps moving forward. Each machine answers a specific need. Behind every order, we bring together the power of dozens of factories. Integrating multiple product categories, we deliver complete solutions for our customers. Every response sets the entire supply chain into coordination. We don't just sell machines, we craft the key to efficiency.
As you can see, which one is suitable for you?
Our country, we are mass-produced potato.
We look at each customer's products and environment, and decode their real needs. Then we find the perfect match, whether it's a smart factory solution or a cost-effective way to produce.
Some push for speed in production, others aim to save on costs. There's no single best solution for everyone. Policies differ from country to country, and habits change from place to place. We don't believe in one-size-fits-all templates. Instead, we match every global demand with the right key. And in every challenge our customers face, they can see our presence, our response, and our solutions.
Unique's 20 years have been to decades walking side by side with Made in China, backed by the strength of China's industrial chain. We've also met the real needs of thousands of factories worldwide.
We have witnessed the evolution of equipment from chasing to leading breakthroughs. And we've seen a snapshot of China's manufacturing upgrade. We stand at the crossroads of the industrial chain, catching global demands and turning them into solutions for manufacturing. We are the link, unlocking efficiency and value, innovation and growth, bridging manufacturing and markets, data and machines, linking China and the world, the past and the future. For 20 years, we have held the power of innovation firmly. Technology moves forward and demands keep rising. Problems never stop, and challenges never pause. His power is the power of our times, the power of the system. Together, let's join hands, work closely, and unlock endless possibilities for the future.